We're taking a trip to Union Gap, just outside of Yakima, to see how Los Hernandez tamales are taking the world by storm. Since 1990, Felipe Hernandez and his family have worked hard to grow this little business into a James Beard award-winning, must-stop destination for tamale lovers everywhere.
The food is always perfect.
I've never had tamales like this before.
We make tamales at home too, but this is really unique.
They were really good, very flavorful.
You can't stop eating them.
About how many tamales do you sell on an average day?
It's in the thousands of dozens.
To keep up with demand for his tamales, Felipe had to construct a large commercial kitchen off-site where workers make his famous tamales 2 shifts a day.
I ordered a dozen of tamales, half chicken and half pork.
The seasoning of the meat is really good. The ratio of the meat to the masa is really good too.
You can smell them.
They smell so good. Tell me about the James Beard Foundation Award.
Well, that was a surprise, to say the least. Who would have thought? I mean, tamales. We have people come here from all around the world.
Does that seem so crazy to you?
It does.
Felipe credits the hard work and tradition that his family put into developing his signature masa recipe.
The moms, the grandmas, the abuelitas, my sister, all of those people that have made and struggled and tried to make a living. And here I am. So the honor goes to them.